MYCOM reciprocating compressors from MYCOM's own brand of compressors are well known in the industrial refrigeration industry all around the world. MYCOM, for over 90 years, has been releasing compressors that reflect the market trends of the time. But our compressors are not just about trends. MYCOM reciprocating compressors are robust, rigid, and reliable. And they keep transforming to adapt to more applications, to become more efficient, to answer the true needs of the market, beyond trends, beyond time. The development of the M-Series compressors started as a project to make the world's most efficient reciprocating compressor. To improve efficiency, the discharge gas line is separated from the body. The overhaul term with the M-Series is 16,000 hours, depending on the operating conditions. With efficiencies up to 15 to 20% better than conventional reciprocating compressors and mini screw compressors, the M-Series has the power to reduce bottom-line operating costs, and M-Series is the world's most efficient reciprocating compressor today. But MYCOM is committed to improving the M-Series compressors. The air-cooled M without an oil cooler is designed to meet the needs in places where the access to water is limited. The long-stroke M is created to answer the demand for larger capacity with higher efficiency. The M-Series has been serving a variety of applications in industries, such as ice arenas, ice making, refrigeration plants, breweries, and air conditioning. WAWB series has been long known as the compressors that just won't break. For this rigidity and reliability, the WAWB series has been popular since 1989. WB series had branched out to become WBHE series that can take higher pressure and offer better performance. The K-Series was developed to answer the demands for compressors that could offer better cost performance, specifically in the Freon market. By operating at high-speed rotation, the K-Series can provide more capacity in its compact body. It runs at 1750 RPM, connecting directly to a 60 Hz 4-pole motor. The HK and HS series are MYCOM's high-pressure series of compressors. They are specifically made to take on ammonia heat pump and CO2 applications that require high pressure. As the world turns to more refrigeration systems with larger temperature range and lower ammonia charge, the popularity of the CO2 refrigeration system has been on the rise. In the heat pump applications, the HS series compressors can be used to produce 90 degrees Celsius, 194 degrees Fahrenheit hot water, while allowing precise capacity control done by each piston. MYCOM reciprocating compressors are MYCOM's proud and successful innovation that have been serving the industry all around the world for almost a century. MYCOM, the most reliable compressor in the industry.